I'm starting out the vlog with an oily face because it's the end of the day and I just got off work not that long ago. I had went to the grocery store, but I left my phone in the car, and then I came in the house and I left my phone in the car again. So, but I'm just about to be basically showing y'all me cooking dinner today. I'm just gonna make some tacos, so hope y'all enjoy this day in Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas Day 18, by the way. It's lit. Like, this is the longest I ever stuck in here with Vlogmas, and I only missed one day. Like, what? I'm hype, low-key. Tired walking up all them stairs, but I'm about to wash these little pans right here because that's what I'm about to use to make my tacos. So, yeah. I'll catch y'all when I'm done. Let me situate it and catch my breath. Alright, y'all. So, I washed out the pans, and I'm about to make, I'm gonna make ground beef, not ground beef, ground turkey tacos. I'm trying to stay away from as much beef as I can. Like ground beef, I mean, I'll still eat the steak, so let me twist it. But, like, I'm trying not to eat as many burgers, like if they're ground beef, and stuff like that. I'm trying to just be a little healthier, you know. Don't get me wrong, I will still tear up some ground beef. But, you know, just on occasion. But let me get this turkey out the fridge. But today, I thought maybe on this vlog I could talk about, because I did Uber Eats today after I got off work, for like just a little bit. And so I had some questions before when I talked about doing Uber Eats and stuff. That's way too much oil. Let me pour some in this. Some people had asked me questions before about I did Uber Eats, so. Oh, that was a bad idea because now I got oil on the bottom of the pan and it's about to go on top of fire. But let me wipe it off. Hopefully this don't spark it up, y'all. I'm low-key nervous. Okay, so anyways, back to Uber Eats. So people are asking me, like, do you really make money? How do you make money? How does it work? How do you know? So simple questions like that. So I'm gonna talk about a little bit how it works while I'm cooking. So basically, I don't do Uber like people in my car. I do Uber Eats. So it's like when people order food, I deliver it. So kind of like a delivery person, I guess you could say. Well, not kind of, it is. But, so I do that, and basically you just download the app, you apply online, and it's super simple. So, like, literally, all you need to do is have a car and have, like, your license and insurance, and that's it. And basically, like, unless you have a terrible driving record, like, basically you're going to get approved. And so once you get approved, you know, you can just start driving. So basically on the app, I will show you guys what it looks like, but I'm vlogging on my phone because I didn't feel like getting my camera. But basically on the app, you would just press like go, meaning turn yourself online to make yourself available for deliveries. And then people will like place an order, and all you have to do is press accept or deny. If you want to, it'll tell you how far away it is. So like me, I personally don't like to do anything more than 10 minutes away because I feel like it's going to waste my time. Like, I'm not going to make enough on that drive. Depending on what time of day it is also. So that's another factor to take in. Depending on what time of day you do it. So like most of the time they have peak hours, which is like lunchtime from like 11 to 2. And then also dinner time, which is usually like around 5 to 8. So sometimes they have extra points so you can get like extra money, basically. So if that ride is typically only $5, if it's during those peak hours, sometimes they have these little deals where instead of making $5, you might make $7 or $8 off of that one ride. So I'm not sure if that fully makes sense. I hope it does. I just got the ground beef in here. Let me show y'all. Or ground turkey. Ground turkey looks so nasty cooking lately. Like, but whatever. I mean, maybe it don't look nasty to y'all, but it looks nasty to me. Maybe because I'm just used to the ground beef look. But, yeah, so anyways, that's basically how it works. And so how much money do you typically make off of each ride? Well, it just depends on how far you go and what area you're in. Because some areas, like the more richer areas, charge a little bit more. So you're gonna make more money in those areas sometimes. And also depending on how far that drive is from the restaurant. So if that drive is only a 5-minute drive from the restaurant, you might only make $5, $4. But if it's like a 10-minute drive from the restaurant, you might make $10, like double that. So my average ride is probably around like $7 or $8 average. But some days I have like a $10, $12 even delivery. So it just really depends. I typically do it only for like maybe 2 hours at the most. I might do about an hour. Like today I did an hour after work. I did 3 deliveries within that hour and I made $20. So it's kind of like I just made $20 an hour, you know? So I'm not sure how that works, what you guys' pay rates are for your regular jobs. But for me, that's pretty good because $20 an hour, like that's not bad. Like I make more than minimum wage, but minimum wage in California is only $11.50. People might be like, whoa, only $11.50. Like, I know a lot of places minimum wage is like $8, $6. But anyways, minimum wage in California is like $11.50. In San Diego, at least. And so $20 an hour, that's well over minimum wage. So, you know, and it's just like a little extra money. Like, I don't do it all the time. Just when, you know, I feel like I need a little extra money. I mean, it's the holiday season, so I've been spending a lot of money. So I'm just trying to kind of make up for it so that I'm not struggling. It's a real cool little gig, and it's cool because you can do it just whenever you want. Like, I can easily, like, if I wanted to do it right now, like, I can just go on the app and turn it on right now. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Are y'all trying to hear me talk? I'm tired of talking, so I'm going to just cook for a little bit right now. And we'll get back to y'all. But the meat is cooking, so it's pretty much all brownish white now. I'm going to let it cook in there a little bit longer, though, because I need to make sure my meat is done, sis. So ground turkey is a little dry, so that's why I added some oil to it, even though I'm going to drain the oil, but I just don't want it to stick or burn on the pan. So yeah, but let me start cooking a little bit more and then I'll show y'all a little bit. This is the type of taco season I use. I use this kind for like beef and then this kind for chicken, but so it's by the brand McCormick. The best kind there is, honestly. But obviously, like I said, this is not ground beef, but we just making it like it is. So you literally just pour the pack on here. Okay, and you're going to have it like so, all the seasoning. And then you're just going to fill this pack up with water and put it around. And then let it simmer. That's all you do. I didn't make as much meat because I never finished it all, so this is probably gonna be like heavy tasting, like seasoning low-key, but that's okay. It's gonna taste good because this is only like a half a pack of ground turkey because I used the other half when I made some stuffed bell peppers. Shoot. It smells good. Oh, let me show y'all. So this would look like, you know, a little juicy, so we just gonna let this simmer in here and get all on the meat. And while that's simmering, we gonna make our taco shells. Here are my tacos. It's green salsa on top of it. Oh, I'm so ready to smack right now. I hope y'all enjoyed today's Vlogmas. I know it was just so random. But I did have some people ask me questions on that, so that's why I just wanted to go ahead and answer it. And then also I didn't really have nothing to vlog today since I'm not doing anything today besides working and about to eat and go to sleep. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm about to wipe this oily makeup off after I eat because I'm starving. So I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 19.